So Huawei is stepping into the same space as camera-enabled smart glasses around the world, combining AI, imaging, and everyday utility into one device. And yeah, on the surface, this might look like every other pair of smart glasses, but it's actually not. Huawei isn't doing multiple versions here. It's one core pair of AI glasses, just offered in different styles depending on how you want to wear them, whether that's sunglasses or regular optical frames. Underneath though, it's the exact same tech across the board. You get both round and square frame options with 3 finishes: titanium silver gray, modern black, and a slightly more premium shimmery silver. They've also put some serious thought into the build. There's a custom aerospace grade titanium alloy hinge that Huawei claims improves structural stability by about 21%, and despite all the tech packed in, the frames weigh just 35.5 grams. Even with prescription lenses, you're looking at roughly 47 grams, which is still very manageable for something you'd wear all day. Now, what's impressive is that even at this weight, Huawei is claiming up to 12 hours of general use on a single charge. That includes around 8 hours of voice calls or 9 hours of continuous audio playback. The battery itself is 258 mAh and charges via a magnetic connector with USB-C on the other end. Built into the frame is a 12 megapixel camera with a 1/2.8-inch sensor. It handles first-person photos, video calls, and even live streaming directly from the glasses. You're getting 12 megapixel stills at 4096 by 3072, and video recording at up to 1920 by 1440 at 30 frames per second. There's EIS and AI raw multi-frame fusion as well, but since it's capped at 30 frames per second, this isn't really meant for slow motion. It's more about quick, natural POV capture. Where things start to feel different is how the AI is handled. A lot of the smaller interactions, like triggering actions, recognizing what you're looking at, or responding to voice commands, happen directly on the glasses, so everything feels instant. Huawei is using its own custom AI silicon here. But for more complex stuff, like real-time translation or detailed responses, it quietly leans on cloud processing in the background. The microphones are tuned to pick up voice input as low as 47 decibels, which basically means you can speak very softly, even in a noisy environment. And it'll still catch your command. You can activate features like translation either through a voice wait command like "Hey Celia" or by using a touch shortcut built into the frame. Now, one important thing to keep in mind with translation is compatibility. To get the full, seamless, real-time experience, these glasses really need to be paired with a Huawei phone running Harmony OS. That's where all the deep integration happens. If you're using an iPhone or a regular Android device, the glasses will still work. But you lose a lot of that behind-the-scenes intelligence that makes the experience feel smooth. On the connectivity side, the glasses come with 64 gigabytes of onboard storage, so they can store photos and videos before syncing them to your phone. They support Bluetooth 6.0 and dual-band Wi-Fi 6, which is especially useful for quickly transferring larger files without slowing things down. And finally, they're rated IP54, so they're resistant to dust and can handle splashes. Basically, light rain or a sweaty outdoor shoot isn't going to be a problem. Official sales kick off in China tomorrow, April 25th, so we will have to wait for word on a broader global rollout. And that's everything you need to know about Huawei's AI glasses. Peace.